Here's an update on the dollar yen pair. As you can see, we have resisted that trend line again. So we had a hard reversal, popped into it, and again pushed right back down. Thinking that we go ahead and continue to see some chop action here between these levels before we do see another continuation to the downside. So it's going to take a little bit of time, like we saw back here in December 2017. And here the same thing. We're looking at that just gradual deterioration, and then we'll start picking up steam as the major levels start breaking down. So still looking for longer term 107.50s. Shorting up here seems like a pretty good risk reward location. I'll be keeping an eye on it, but again, shorting the dollar yen is typically very challenging in that the bank is always intervening. It's hard to really get a good location. So as far as what we're dealing with here, let's look at the hourly time frame. So hourly, we are below the 50 and 200 pairs as well as the 110 level. RSI is still looking pretty decent here as far as strength goes. It still seems to be on an upward trajectory here and outside of the resistance that I had aligned. So now we make it into a support uptrend. And basically what we're looking at here is a attempt for the price to, push down again the 109.80s, maybe reaching down to 109.75. Kind of doubt it early in the week. I think we'll see, further upside push here to around the 110, around the 110.12 mark again, I would say. Could get a further push, of course, upwards. It all depends on if we can get back above that 50 right now. It looks like we have ourselves a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern that's trying to form. In the event that that does not occur, we should see, a nice thrust to the upside. I think they'll pretty much deny that downward move. So again, we see here that head and shoulders look, and it'll rocket back to the upside instead of having that breakdown of the 23.6 fib. So RSI is also saying that we are due for a little bit of a push to the upside again. And in the event that we do have that, let's go ahead and just reverse it. So 23.6 fib looks just like gold, doesn't it? 23.6 fib is the resistance. So we'll see what happens here. If in fact we do see that next push to the upside, that'll give gold its dip. Maybe it'll run as hard as the 110.16s, run into the 50, and then look for another push to the downside here as we roll into the new week.